Hello everyone, this is Somyanjan Misra, working as technical engineer in Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today we are going to show connection and operation of SI 5V 120 ampere 16 channel cell testing machine. This machine is a 5V 120 ampere 16 channel cell testing machine. With this machine we can test and research on prismatic type cell testing machine. This is a 3-phase machine with voltage input of 390 to 415 volt, and the power consumption of this machine is 12.8 kilowatt. In this cell tester we can individually test each channel and program them and test according to that. So this is the software for this machine, BK7000. This is the software, and first you have to see this communication cable. This is the communication cable used for communicating with the software. This is RS485 USB converter. After connecting to the USB connection, you have to first check the COM port connection here. So here you can see the COM port connection is COM3, and here we have to set the communication port here in the settings. You have to go to COM connection, and here we have to select in communication the COM port number and then select OK. After that we have to reset. And restart the software. Once the communication is true, this connection will be reset, and all the channels will start to visible. Here in the software you have to go to this control startup. Here you have to program according to your cell rating. Here you can see we have given for discharging, this program is given for 10 minutes. We have put 50 ampere current and to discharge up to 2.5 volt for prismatic cells, and here the rest is given for 1 minute, and CV mode charging is given for 10 minutes at 50 ampere up to 3.6 volt, and the lower cutoff will stop current will be 10% of the charging current, so which is 5 ampere. And here the capacity of the cell is given as 100 Ah or 1 lakh milliAh. After programming the process, we can go for send to send the program to the machine, and by clicking this send we will start, and here we have to select which channel we want to run. So here we connected only one cell at number 9 terminal, so we will select this number 9 channel and deselect the other remaining, and then we will click on OK. After that particular cell channel number will start charging or discharging whatever process we have given. Here you can see the cell voltage, it is showing cell voltage, the current at what current it is discharging, and how much time it has done, and how much capacity it has shown till now, and this one is how much energy it has taken. After clicking on it, you can see the graph. This is the voltage graph, and this is the current graph, and you can here clicking by details, you can see the details of the process. Only in 30 seconds the program is taken this much data. Normally this machine works properly, but if any case there are some faults arises, then the following faults will come out, like the connection issue in the communication, and sometimes voltage fluctuation issues comes, and other than that there will be some data issue will also arise, and sometimes software compatibility issue comes. This is the 3-phase input supply for the machine. Here you can see the neutral, the R, Y, B, and earthing connection is given. This is the connection for B sensing wire. and this is the charging discharging connection for positive and negative side, and this is connected to the bed cells positive and negative terminals. In communication error, normally the communication cable RS485 connection gets removed or connection not done properly. In that case, you have to check the connection in both the terminals A, B and ground connection, and check the connection in the machine with the machine is done properly, and normally this issue removes automatically. And other than that, there is another problem which arises due to voltage fluctuation, which you need to connect to a stabilizer, proper stabilizer, so that the voltage range should be within the 390 to 420 volt range. After above the voltage range, the machine might get damaged, and it might result in the damage of PCB boards and SMPS. So you need to take proper steps for preventing the voltage fluctuation. And also sometimes the data issue arises because the data path might be somehow changed or might be faulty, for which the data issue arises, and for that you need to select a proper data path and save the data so that it will come, the data issue won't come. And the compatibility issue comes because of the antivirus or Windows firewall defense. So for that purpose you have to always close or turn off the Windows firewall and antivirus, otherwise the software might get some problem and compatibility issue. So this is all about this machine, 5 volt 120 ampere 16 channel cell testing machine. For live demo, please visit our head office, plot number 38, Parparganj Industrial Area, New Delhi. You can also get other machines demo also. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.